All right, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I got done. I've been sick for a little bit, so I haven't been doing too much. But I'll show you some of the stuff I've been working on. We got this all welded back in. Right here, this has all been welded back in. So that is going to work good. And on the inside, we did some welding. We gotta come in here and do some grinding on those welds now. But other than that, it's all open. Getting ready to install the heat channel. Let's do a little work back here, because this was kind of rusted out a little bit right here. So we replaced that. We got to paint it up, and I got to patch it up over there. But I also working on some other stuff. So I'll take and show you what else I'm working on right now. I got my 440 heads. These ones are the 906 heads. They're pretty good heads. They got 202 valves and I think 174 exhaust. But I'm just trying to strip in the paint off of them. I gotta replace the seals, because the seals are bad. Because I've had these heads for about probably 40 years. I bought them back in the late 90s. That's because they were a good deal back then. So I gotta get these cleaned up and get the valves cleaned up, get some new valve seals in it, and put them back together. The other one's over here, doing the same thing to this one. Clean one at a time, and then once we're done with that, then we'll be able to get back to what we're doing. Going to continue to work on this. Just taking a little break from it because I've been sick, so and that's not good. But the heater channel fits in real good. The door brace, I got a brace in the door to hold that door frame in place so that it doesn't shrink up on me. And when I put the heater channel in, I don't want it to get smaller and then end up costing me not being able to fit the door on. So all right, that's about all I got going on this week, because like I said, I've been sick. So we will let you go now, and we will talk to you later. As soon as I get some more stuff done, I'll get some more stuff posted. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.